Hired APC thugs from Kogi create COVID-19 fear in Eze Iyamu's home as wife vows to pack out. It has been alleged that thousands of political thugs brought into Edo State to perpetrate violence before and during Edo State gubernatorial election by the All Progressive Congress (APC) are at war with their hostess, Idia Eze Iyamu, wife of Osagi Eze Iyamu, who is the candidate of the APC in the September 19 gubernatorial election. The thugs, who have been stationed in Eze Iyamu's Ugbo residence, family sources say, have been constituting nuisance and pose a great deal of threat to the health of their hosts with the rising cases of COVID-19 in the state. Mrs. Eze Iyamu, it was alleged, has threatened to pack out of her matrimonial home if the political thugs from Kogi State do not relocate to the APC secretariat, as she would not have them turn her house into a smoking and drinking joint. News of the row between Eze Iyamu and his wife broke when Mrs. Audu, wife of Gani Audu, running mate to Eze Iyamu, and other guests visited recently. Mrs. Eze Iyamu was said to have threatened to pack out of the house if her husband failed to call the miscreant who had shifted political party activities at the campaign secretariat in Etete Street to their residence in Benin City to order. Family sources said she criticized her husband for downplaying the indiscriminate smoking of cannabis within their premises by party associates under the guise of showing solidarity. Just before Eze Iyamu traveled to Edo North Senatorial District last Friday, his wife drew her husband's attention to the growing cases of theft in their home, a domestic staff told this reporter. Meanwhile, as the Obaseki campaign entered the second day on Tuesday, youths in Ibilo town, Akoko, Edo local government area of Edo State, have assured the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki of their unallowed support, promising to return the governor with a wide margin in the September 19 governorship election. A cross-section of the youth who spoke when the governor and his campaign trail stormed Ibilo, Ward 4, in the council on Tuesday said they were totally in support of the governor who had brought development to the area. Meanwhile, Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Frank Okiye, on Tuesday declared that no member of the Edo State House of Assembly endorsed the candidate of the APC in the September 19 governorship election, Osagi Eze Iyamu. Okiye said this during the People Democratic Party campaign rally for the September 19, 2020 governorship election at Ward 3 in the council area. He accused dissident members elect whose seats have been declared vacant of impersonating the leadership of the legislative arm, which was proclaimed by the state governor on June 17, 2019. A resident in Ibilo, Daniel Ojo, said Obaseki had done well. Nothing, we can't afford not to give him our support. This is the first time Akoko Edo is enjoying massive infrastructural development. He said the entire Ward 4 is for Governor Obaseki. We are not going to let him down. We need to show him that he deserves his 8 years as the governor of our great state. Obaseki's good work will definitely speak for him. The people are not blind. he asserted. Another resident, Bidemi Ogunubi, said Governor Obaseki is a great man, adding that pensioners in the local council are proud of him. I retired and got my pension benefits within 1 month of my retirement. My household and I are for the governor. On his part, the House leader, Nosayaba Okunbo, who represented the speaker at the rally, said the Edo State Assembly was intact. He, however, expressed regret for Emmanuel Agbaje, APC Akoko Edo 2 constituency, who recently followed the path of Pofidi by accepting bribe to do the bidding of a political godfather in the state. According to him, for us in Edo State House of Assembly, we have resolved not to collect money and do the bidding of anyone. He lauded Governor Obaseki for his proactiveness in fighting the novel COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, you see, as if I knew it. I knew it. I said it in my former video that Obaseki is shifting away from whom he used to be to another person entirely, all in the name of politics. He is now allowing politics to change his personality, denying him of his faith. You can see that is human being for you. When human being sees money, I tell you, they will just forget God at a go. Just because of politics, he has allowed himself to be totally stolen away by illegalities, atrocities, something that is not welcomed. As a man of God, is he not supposed to be preaching against smoking of cannabis? Is he not supposed to be preaching against immoralities? Is he supposed to even encourage use of drugs? Not to talk of having them in his compound. You can imagine. Is he supposed to have anything to do with such people? What relationship does light have with darkness? Has he forgotten who he is and who he claims he is? Has he forgotten the name he attached to his name as pastor? Is a Iyamo. Having them in his compound makes no difference between him and them. It means that he is also one of them. Being in their midst completely take that name, pastor, away from his name. What would he be doing in the midst of the unwanted? The wife is right. If the husband has refused to do anything concerning the issue of those talks, then the wife should leave. That shows that the wife is even strong in faith than him. Because of politics, just to satisfy politics, he don't want to deny his faith. Something that will only end here on earth. You can imagine. You can see human beings. That is why God takes his time before blessing any man. Because he would want to test your faith, test your heart, check you. God will want to carry out a thorough checking on you before doing anything for you. Well, no problem. The Edo election is around the corner. Let's see what's going to happen. So my viewers, you will need to comment to this issue. So please don't hesitate to leave your comment behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.